Living in Florida, we've all seen the iconic bottlenose dolphins at some point in our life. Whether it be swimming alongside them or passing them by in a boat, we've encountered these beautiful creatures one way or another. If not in the ocean, did you ever see the dolphins at SeaWorld as a child? Just talking about them now takes me back. The ethereal presence of these dolphins, fascinating and inspiring my younger self. Today, I'm going to be talking about the bottlenose dolphin in depth, explaining more about its personality, habitat, and place in their environment, and intelligence. This will help you understand why not only Southerners, but people across the globe have come to love and cherish this animal. First, I'm going to dive into the unique personality traits of bottlenose dolphins. Scientists have identified that over time, they have formed personality traits similar to humans. Dolphins are considered extroverts by biologists, describing them as full of warmth, positivity, and excitement-seeking animals. They have a large sense of curiosity, especially when it comes to creatures around them, including humans. When something new is placed in their environment, they waste absolutely no time in exploring and observing it. They are also extremely friendly and sociable with both their own kind and humans. In the ocean, dolphins swim in pods, a unit of them consisting of both family and friends. They look out for and protect each other while moving through their environment, making sure no one gets left behind. They also take extra special care of the young ones within the pod because not all of them can protect for and care for themselves yet. Now that you have a better understanding of the dolphin's personality, I'm going to explain the role that they play in their habitat. Dolphins are top level, or better known as apex predators in their environment, which means they consume the secondary consumers within their environment. Their main diet consists of squid and a variety of fish, which are extremely important. Squids and fish can easily overpopulate and overtake their environment, which is why it's key that bottlenose dolphins eat them to keep the balance within their habitat. If the squid and fish did overpopulate, they could ruin their environment and run it to the ground, consuming too many primary producers and consumers, causing an ecological disaster. In addition to eating marine animals to keep their environment in balance, dolphins are ecological indicators. Their bodies absorb pollutants from the water, which damages their skin. This then indicates to scientists that that particular area in their environment needs to be cleansed and watched over, making sure that the pollution doesn't get too much worse so that the plants and animals aren't negatively affected even more. Bottlenose dolphins are also majorly important to their environment and allow the animals in it to thrive. With the knowledge you now have about the dolphin's personality and characteristics and how that shows through the interactions within their environment, I'm now going to go over the bottlenose dolphin's high intelligence. To communicate with their kind, bottlenose dolphins have a specific whistle. Each dolphin has their own signature whistle, which they only use, mainly when they're in a group setting like within their pod. Dolphins in general have many different whistles used to communicate many different types of sayings. Dolphins can decipher all of these, no matter if the whistle is coming from a dolphin within their pod or environment or not. Bottlenose dolphins also have vast memory banks within their mind. They can remember their pod's mates' signature whistles for over 20 years, even if they're separated, which is extremely long for a marine animal. This allows them to keep very lengthy and strong social bonds within their pods. Also, these particular dolphins have extreme self-awareness and environmental awareness, noticing everything around them. This is a very valuable skill to them, benefiting them not just in terms of survival, but also for fun. They are able to recognize that it is themselves they see in a mirror, and many dolphins have been recorded by scientists making faces, whistling, and playing with their reflection. Bottlenose dolphins are unique and highly intelligent creatures. Now that you understand more in depth about these dolphins, I will conclude. Bottlenose dolphins have extremely unique personalities that bring them together as a group and species, play a major role in keeping their ecosystem balanced and alerting scientists if anything in their environment is wrong, and are highly intelligent, sentimental, and emotional creatures. Bottlenose dolphins are such beautiful, intelligent creatures that many people take for granted. I hope by learning more about these creatures that it has increased your understanding and appreciation for them.